Why is everyone buying this convertible sleeper sofa bed? That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. Before I show you why everyone's buying it, I'm going to tell you why everyone's buying it. If you look at that product page, the Amazon product page there, you're going to see that this is selling hundreds of units per month right now, and it is just starting to heat up. People are absolutely loving this, and then it's got tons of really good reviews, so very high star ratings. So people are buying this, and then they're very happy with it, so you're not going to have to worry about returning it. Now, it comes in a very compact box that's vacuum sealed. You cut it open, and it immediately begins to expand. But don't be fooled. This thing is very supportive. So I'm sitting on the base level. I'm going to show you all the different adjustments. I'm sitting on the base level right now, and I can't feel the floor. It feels like a cushion. It feels like a mattress. It's very comfortable. I love the loungy vibe of this. You're kind of like low, like you're almost in a bed, but you're also like almost in a couch. It's kind of like a loungy couch. You can also, you have your cup holders here. You can also fold those up, and then they come back here and makes it more like just a regular couch. These pillows add an extra level of cushion and support. And then I'll show you what else we can do. So before we do that, if you look back here, a lot of what some of these convertible sofa beds lack is a really solid, thick, like back to it. This is thicker than any of the other ones I've seen, which I really like. So we'll go ahead and now turn this into a couch. There you go. It's that simple. It's that easy to do. Very lightweight, but very supportive. Now we're sitting at like that regular kind of couch level. We can lay across it if we want to, or we can bring the cup holder back out, and we've got that vibe, and we're just kind of rocking it this way. Super versatile, amazing, lightweight, but very supportive. Don't let this thing fool you. You look at the number on the product page, you're like, that can't be a nice couch, can it? Yes, that's how crazy things are getting. This is actually a nice couch. Not only that, very comfortable. I love this like kind of like a corduroy kind of vibe, and it just feels really good. I love the color. I think that's great as well. You got your nice cup holders here. This thing's amazing. Definitely great if you potentially have guests. You want a couch. Maybe sometimes you want to lay down, watch a movie. Maybe sometimes you want people to be able to sleep on this. Great, super versatile. Highly recommend.